In 1995, a man walked into a bank in Pittsburgh. He didn't wear a mask. He didn't hide his face. He just smiled at the security cameras. Why? Because he thought he was invisible. His name was MacArthur Wheeler, and his plan was simple. He had covered his face in lemon juice. You see, lemon juice is used to make invisible ink, so logically, if you rub it on your face, you become invisible to cameras. At least, that's what Wheeler believed. He was arrested that same night, less than 1 hour after the